the reason that we do not want to subsidize it is because it is the subsidy will uupo lang doon sa bank account ng PhilHealth. Hindi magagamit. Marami tayong paggagamitan noon. So that's a simple explanation there. Is that they have sufficient funds to carry on sa dami ng bagong services ng PhilHealth, sa dami ng mga bagong payment na binibigay ng PhilHealth, nababara ang sistema. You can see there are in the provinces, merong mga tao nag-aantay buong araw yung pilat 200 tao. Nag-aantay, magke-claim sila. Hindi naman mahirap. Pero that's what's happened in PhilHealth. Yun ang problema sa PhilHealth. The problem is the processing capacity.